Is SurveyLama really an easy way to potentially earn up to $300 per month by answering surveys, as it looks like when you go to the website, or is it a waste of time? My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of different paid survey sites, and many of you have asked me about this platform, so therefore I decided to test it, and in this SurveyLama review I will give you an inside look and show both the pros and the cons so you can find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let's start by going over the basics of what it is and who can join. And SurveyLama is a paid service site. That's the way you can earn here. And as you can see on the website, it says that you can earn up to $300 per month and earn up to $10 per survey. So let me just reveal right away that it is a legit service site. You can potentially earn, and you can potentially also earn this, but this does not mean it is guaranteed. That's very important to understand. We'll talk more about the full earning potential when we take an inside look. Let's also go over who can join, because it's not available in all countries and you cannot as such see the available countries on the website. You need to just go there from your country, but also I have a list on my website of the countries where I know that it currently is recruiting. It might be available in some other countries also. If I come across others where it's available, I will add them to the list at the time of recording this video. These are the countries that I know it is recruiting in. I'll leave a link to this here below this video, so you can go there and check that out if you decide this is right for you after watching this video. But let me now log in and then you can see exactly how it works. So I have now logged into SurveyLama and it is very easy to use actually. You just come in here and then you can find the paid surveys. I would recommend that you go to your profile and fill that out first, because that can help you to get access to more paid surveys. But then once you're inside, and you can basically find paid surveys right away. But how many you will get access to will of course vary depending on the country you live in, and sometimes it will also take a bit of time before more to show up, so you need to come back and check once in a while. But you can see exactly how many points you get. You see these Llama points, LP, and that I would get 60, and it would take around 16 minutes. The estimated time is fairly accurate in my experience. We'll go over the value of these points in just a few seconds here, but I like that they make it very clear exactly how much you get, the approximate time. That's all very nice, and you can even see the survey partner that you take this through. But it's nice and easy, as you can see, and of course, as mentioned, we'll go over the value of the points in just a bit, but I can say in general it pays kind of average, I would say, for the paid service compared to other paid service sites. Definitely decent, and you just need to be of course a little bit critical. Some pays better than others, so you just need to choose carefully when you choose the service you want to take. But this is basically the earning method. This is all you need to do. You just need to sign up, and then you can go here and find the paid service and earn. But of course you need to know how can you then get paid, because we always need to make sure that it actually is payout options that you like before you join a paid service site. So I just jumped to the FAQ section, because here that's where they explain very clearly the payout options it offers. It offers Amazon gift cards or PayPal transfer. So you can get paid in cash or via the Amazon gift card. So it's only if you think that these two are great rewards that you should join this site. These are currently, as of recording this video anyways, the two only payout options. And you need to earn around $20 to get paid. So it's not one of the lowest payout thresholds, but definitely it is possible to reach. And also there is a way to get a daily bonus that I did mention when we talked about the paid surveys, because as you can also see here, if you answer 3 surveys in a day, you will receive extra Llama points, extra bonus points. And you will receive 20 of those as a bonus. Of course, you will also at the same time earn the points for the actual surveys. And 20 points are worth 20 cents. So in general, as mentioned there, you need to earn $20 to withdraw, but that would be equivalent of 2,000 points. So 100 points is worth $1. So that's important to just be aware of, so you know exactly the value of the different surveys. I can't say for sure, of course, if it uses maybe other currencies in some countries. So if you joined it, or if you decide to join it, and if it then uses a different currency in your country, please feel free to share it in the comments below. That would be great to hear what the experiences are from people from other countries. So to sum it all up, I think SurveyLama can be worth checking out. It's definitely a legit paid service site. It offers a decent amount of paid service, it pays decently for the time, and it's easy to use. And also you can get paid in cash or gift cards, which are both great payout options in my opinion. The payout threshold is a little bit high, so you just need to be aware of that. As for how much you can earn, yes, as I mentioned in the beginning, you might be lucky to find $10 surveys sometimes, or earn up to $300 per month, but that is not guaranteed, and it's not in all countries you would be able to earn that much. Of course, it would require you to be quite active, and $10 per survey, it's very rare that you will find that high paying service. Most realistically, in my experience anyways, you will earn somewhere between 20 cents and maybe up to $2 or $3 for the surveys. You have to be lucky to find some that pay higher than that. But overall, it definitely can be a way to earn some extra money on the side. As mentioned, I have a list on my website of the countries that I know they're currently recruiting in, and I will keep updating that. I will leave that link below, so then you can go and check out, so you join the platform from your country if you decide this is the right opportunity for you. But no matter what, I hope this video helped you, and if it did, then make sure to hit the like button, and also don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.